Bang, custom case handphone dong pakai daun pisang atau yang lain-lain, please. Oke baik sob, akan saya coba. Tapi saya tidak akan membuat full dari daun pisang ya. Melainkan saya hanya akan melapisi case handphone ini dengan daun pisang kering. Bagaimana cara dan hasilnya ya? Yuk tonton dan simak sampai selesai. Melapisi case handphone dengan daun pisang kering. Daun pisang kering. Case handphone. Cuci daun pisang. Setelah kering, acuan atau cetakan bentuk case.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build
Gambar
up
pola
my thoughts
dengan
sitting in
cetakan.
an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side,
Potong
maybe we
sesuai
could be
garis
okay.
pola.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Siapkan juga daun pisang kering. 2 cm memanjang untuk lapisan pertama.
As you fade away,
Amplas permukaan case yang akan dilapisi. Tujuannya agar case lebih berpori-pori, supaya daya rekat lem lebih kuat dan maksimal. Super glue. Tempelkan satu persatu secara perlahan. Lanjut ke lembar berikutnya.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to
Nah,
gray.
ini setelah lapisan pertama sudah selesai. Amplas lagi.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
Amplas juga daun untuk lapisan kedua. Pelan dan perlahan agar daun tidak sobek. Setelah pengamplasan, tempel ke case. Perlahan, pastikan semua terkena lap.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you
Setelah
too
kering,
long, it hurts to watch
rapihkan
your
di semua
blue eyes
bagian.
fade to gray.
not okay. All I want, and I pray.
Amplas perlahan.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly,
Sampai
I'm not
motif
really sure
sedikit
what's
keluar.
saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life.
Agar lebih kuat, siram lem pada permukaan lapisan daun.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate.
Amplas dan rapikan lagi.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.
Kurang lebih jadinya seperti ini. Untuk penghalusan, amplas nomor 240, 600, 1000, dan 5000.
I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. 'Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Setelah pengamplasan semua nomor, lanjut pasang solasi kertas. Untuk proses finishing, cat bening.
Few moments later.
Setelah cat kering,
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
ternyata hasilnya bagus sob dan sangat unik. Tapi sayang, motifnya kurang keluar. Untuk keseluruhan hasil sudah bagus. Jika kalian ingin mencobanya, silahkan ya sob. Kembangkan sesuai kreativitas kalian. Selesai.
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Semoga bisa menginspirasi, membantu, dan bermanfaat. See you next video.